In the meantime, former Reggae Boyz head coach and technical director Brazilian Simoes is confident Jamaica can get the better of the Mexicans in their Gold Cup semi-final match tonight. Simoes, who is in the island for the Porous Football Festival put on by Cranston Boxhill, says this team is much more experienced than the team he coached, which lost to the Mexicans 1-0 in the 1998 edition of the tournament.
And I'm very excited for what Jamaica is doing the Gold Cup. What a team Jamaica has. And we remember without a very experienced team like we have now, we reached the semi-finals at that time and they lost to Mexico in the extra time. And now Jamaica has a chance to give it back to Mexico and send them to home and go for the final.
Simoes still holds the honour of being the coach to have guided the Reggae Boyz to their lone World Cup appearance when he achieved qualification for the tournament in France in 1998. But the 70-year-old believes the team will end its losing weight to get back to the showpiece tournament in 2026.
This next World Cup, Jamaica must be there because Mexico, Canada, the United States, they were qualified already. They were qualified. So the chance for Jamaica is high above. And with the team they have now, I have no doubt Jamaica will be in the World Cup in 2026.